Put your hands together for Anurag Chauhan.
A very good morning.
Good evening.
A very good evening.
The wrong body language. Stand properly. Very good.
A very good evening.
Try to do. Respected sir and my dear friends.
A very good evening, respected sir and all my dear friends. Today my topic of discussion is
Very good.
describe any book summary.
Description of any book summary.
Description and any book summary. My book summary is English Grammar Guru.
My favorite book is
My favorite book is English Grammar Guru
Guru.
because it has rules, sentences, etc. Because I like it. And the author of this book is Mr. Umesh Arora sir. The book is organized in 2030. Thank you for listening me.
2030. Now 2026. 13. Okay, not organized. Book was inaugurated. Okay, and this book was inaugurated in the year 2023. Okay, yeah. Put your hands together.
Nice performance. The first time he has come to the stage. It was the first time.